Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change wallpaper on Signal. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Signal app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on appearance. Next, you can see the option of chat color and wallpaper. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of set wallpaper. Tap on it. Next, you can choose wallpaper from photos or presets. Here I am choosing my wallpaper from presets. Select presets or photos of your choice. Then tap on set wallpaper. So, this is how you can set wallpaper on Signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.